How to fix WhatsApp voice call problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your voice call not working on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that I recommend you guys take is head over to your settings on the top right here and scroll down till you find General. Tap on General and then head over to iPhone storage. What we're doing here is we're trying to clear out the cache of our WhatsApp. So search for WhatsApp here, and after you find WhatsApp, tap on it, and here you'll find the offload app option. Tap on offload app and then offload your app. After you offload your app, just tap on the reinstall button and reinstall your app. That will just clear out your cache of your WhatsApp. After that, check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is fixed, great. If not, what you'll then do next is head over to your settings again. Scroll down till you find the apps section, tap on it, and there you'll find WhatsApp. So search for WhatsApp and open it up. Now here what we're doing is sometimes your voice call or your video call might not be working due to your permissions not being available for your WhatsApp. So make sure that the microphone and camera option is turned on WhatsApp. And after that your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.